Introduction. In recent years, artificial intelligence has emerged as a game-changing technology across various industries, including digital marketing. AI enables businesses to harness vast amounts of data, automate processes, and gain valuable insights to enhance their marketing strategies and deliver personalized experiences to their target audience. This video explores the use and application of AI in digital marketing, along with 3 relevant examples that showcase its effectiveness. Find relative links in the comments below. Personalized content creation. AI-powered algorithms analyze extensive customer data to generate highly targeted and customized content. AI algorithms also can create tailored content, such as blog posts, social media updates, and product recommendations, by examining user behavior, preferences, and demographics. For instance, Netflix utilizes AI algorithms to recommend movies and TV shows based on users' viewing history, ratings, and preferences, thus enhancing the user experience and increasing engagement. Chatbots and customer support. AI-powered chatbots have become increasingly popular in digital marketing. They offer immediate, round-the-clock customer support, improving response times and customer satisfaction. Chatbots can handle routine inquiries, provide product information, and even assist in completing purchases. These intelligent bots use natural language processing algorithms to accurately understand and respond to user queries. For example, Sephora's chatbot allows customers to explore products, receive personalized beauty tips, and make purchases directly within the chat interface. Predictive analytics and customer segmentation. AI-driven predictive analytics enables digital marketers to identify and target specific customer segments more effectively. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can predict consumer behavior, purchasing patterns, and preferences. This information allows marketers to create highly targeted campaigns that resonate with their audience. For instance, Amazon uses AI to analyze customer data and predict future purchasing behavior, enabling them to recommend products and deliver personalized marketing messages to individual users. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized digital marketing by enabling marketers to leverage data-driven insights, automate processes, and deliver highly personalized experiences to their target audience. From customized content creation to chatbots and predictive analytics, AI has become an indispensable tool for digital marketers seeking to enhance their strategies and connect with customers more meaningfully. Embracing AI technology can help businesses stay ahead in the competitive digital landscape and drive better marketing outcomes.